Gonna do a bit of a cruise around, see how wet everything is. I've got my co-pilot with me, Jojo. Yeah, look, farm life is, I can't recommend it enough, I really can't. No matter what you want to look at, whether it's the farming side of it, the technology side of it, work for a seed company, a plant company, like the Elders, and those great companies, got diverse jobs all through the nation. There's just so much tech on farm now, and the bigger the farm is, the more tech they've got. You know, you've got the odd person in the industry, not many left now, thank Christ, who goes, oh yeah, Dad did this way. Yeah, well, Granddad also rode a bloody horse. Like we grow twice as much as we did 10 years ago, with no more staff members. Look, great thing about the tractors we have nowadays with our GPS auto steers and all the electronics we have in it, computer sprayers, variable rate controllers. The training it takes to get the job done correctly is a lot less. We can put someone on who's never, maybe even yourself, knows nothing about farming, nothing about tractors, and I guarantee in a day I can train you to drive a tractor, not only straight, but do every single job exactly how it has to be done. If you're a geek who just loves technology, agriculture has got so much technology. There's so many exciting things on the farm to do. If you want to do a boring job for the rest of your life, don't choose farming, because farming is never boring, it's always stimulating, and there's always room for growth. You can just do one job for the rest of your life in farming and be happy with it, or you can grow until you're in any part of the industry you want to be. End of the day, who wouldn't want to be a farmer? Isn't this the life? Going out in the beautiful fresh air, got my best mate with me. There's so many jobs in agriculture. Farming's not just about farming, it's about all the support staff, the plant breeders, the seed breeders, the ones that do our fertilisers. There's a job for you in agriculture. It's a job for life.